The biggest thing is just getting out and having fun. I mean, bikes are such a great way to do that, getting to see places in the woods you wouldn't normally be able to get to, cover a lot of miles. And it's a great way to get exercise. Here I am, 70 plus, and still riding, and have every intention to keep on riding as long as I can. Hi, I'm Tim Kennedy, and I am president of the Superior Cycling Association.
Tim has just been the driving force on getting grooming to happen up here at Pincushion, and he just has a relentless energy just to make things continually move forward. And so, yeah, just really grateful for all the efforts and energy that Tim puts into biking in general, and specifically getting fat bike grooming happening this season.
Just because we get some cold weather and some snow doesn't mean we put away the bikes. It just means we just have to maybe change things up a little bit.
Fat biking is just a fantastic way to get out in winter and enjoy trails in a different way.
You feel like you're in the wilderness when you get out there on a fat bike trail, and it gets so quiet, especially in the winter, and you just stop and you don't really hear anything, and you just kind of take it all in. And I think that's what's pretty special and unique about riding up here in North Shore.
Winter riding, you know, especially here is, you know, again, one of those things that you have lots of opportunities. You know, we right now are grooming Pincushion and the Norpine Trail System. The portion of their trails from the Caribou Trail to Cascade Lodge is groomed for fat biking. It's a different experience at Pincushion in the wintertime than summertime, because it kind of smooths out some of those rocky, rooty sections. Doesn't take away the hills. They're still there, but you still can get out and have a good time.
You know, I ride these trails in the summer, and they're fantastic, and being able to ride them on a few feet of snow in the winter is incredible, and it totally changes the character and the whole experience.
Every single day is different conditions. It could be firm and fast one day, and then you get a little bit of snow or the temperature changes, and it's like riding a whole different trail. I think that just makes it really interesting and really fun.
It's a good scene, and fat biking, I think, is growing, and more people are seeing the value of it.
I just think it's like a well-kept secret that there's phenomenal fat biking up here. And it's just a lovely way to enjoy these beautiful winter days up here in Grand Marais.
I mean, anybody that has any experience with you know, trails knows that there's somebody out there that's the champion of that trail to make it happen, to build it, to maintain it, to make sure that it's going to be there for the future. I mean, trails aren't cheap, and they don't come free. It takes a lot to make them happen and to keep them going. You know, actually, I didn't really take up biking until I was probably my late 40s. I bought a mountain bike and, you know, started exploring. There really weren't mountain bike trails per se. There were snowmobile trails, old gravel roads, logging roads, places that we rode, and everything evolved. Here we are today with 35 miles of purpose-built mountain bike trails and opportunities that are just kind of seem endless. Yeah, I've kind of grown up here just liking to be out in the woods, and it's a way to get out, especially in the wintertime. It lets you get out there, but even in the summer, it's just fun to be on a bike. You know, you can just go, and yeah, fun to be on a bike.